Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna feed the starter. I'm gonna tell you how I maintain my starter. So today is Saturday, end of the day, weekend. I don't bake tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday I do bake by cinnamon bun, not bread. So I will need the feed again. I will need the start again to use on Wednesday for bread, for Thursday bread. So I'll feed now, and then I'll feed again until Tuesday. So basically I'll leave it for Monday, Tuesday, no, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I'll feed Tuesday. Yeah. Basically 2 days without feeding it. So how do I keep it that way without losing its power? Let's say so. And you've seen my bread, they look good, even though sometimes I don't like leave my starter and fed it for like a couple of days. Sometimes I put my starter, I feed it, I put it in the fridge. Sometimes I don't like today. This weekend I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna feed it now. So I'm gonna tell you the ratio I'm using so it stay nice and balanced, as you say. It doesn't go really bad, it doesn't go bad. Turn on this. So I'm gonna take 250 grams of starter and then 250 grams of flour. And so the hydration, I'm going to drop to 75%. So that will slow down the rise. It will take longer to rise, basically. So that's the reason why it doesn't go off, doesn't need feeding as soon as possible. For example, if I put 100% 1111 feed, it will need feeding after like 12 hours. It will just really go floppy and stuff like this. You see, even though this, I didn't feed 700%. I always feed my start at 85% hydration or 80, depending on what time I'm feeding it. And now we're going to spring, summer. So the feeding is never going to be 100%. 80 to 85%, depending on what time I'm going to wake up in the morning to need to use the starter. So let's do this now. So first, let's put this in here so we get a spoon. So I'm going to put 250 grams. See how thick my starter is, because I don't feed 100% hydration. 200. Okay, 250. Actually 60 now. So let's drop this a little bit. So yeah. Okay, 250. So now hydration. Water next. A little bit cold water. So I'm gonna calculate how much I need for 75 75% hydration for starter. So I'll go for the base, which is 250, multiply by 75. So it's multiply is basically a dot or a point and then put zero, or we put zero as soon as you put point. Let's try it again. 75 multiply. I put this dot, the dot on a calculator. I press that and you put zero. So you see, you put zero there and then add 75. So you go 75%, and equal 187.5. That's the hydration we need to add in here. That's the water we need to put in here for our starter. So I'm going to put back to zero. So it's like, no, I don't need to calculate in my head. So I need 187. So there we go. 187. So now I'm just going to mix it. Okay, all done. Next, the flour, which the flour is going to be the same quantity as the starter, 250 grams. So this is T65 type of flour, bread flour. I think this bowl might be too small. I don't have enough, so I need some more flour. Here we go, 250. Now the last job to do is just mixing. So this is gonna be stiff like a bread dough. So that's what I want because I don't want it to rise quick. I don't want to keep feeding it all the weekend. I want to enjoy the weekend without worrying about feeding the starter or anything like that. Very stiff. It doesn't look like starter anymore. It looks like a dough basically. But this is what I want. So now it will take a long time to rise, even though it's warm. But because I fed it really low hydration, it will be all right until Tuesday when I come back to feed it. So this is it. It's how you feed the starter, or how I feed my starter at the weekend and at the end of the week. So I don't need to keep feeding all the way to the weekend. I'm just gonna relax and enjoy my weekend. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And also, if you don't know how, if you don't have any starter, you can watch this video or wherever it's gonna come pop up from, and then you can learn how to make starter from scratch. Thank you for watching again and subscribe. Peace.